welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing fine. So new place, new background. Yes, I'm currently in France after my marriage, of course. So talking about what's happening around the world right now, it's so serious, the coronavirus, and I hope everyone are staying home safe and you might never know who's affected with the virus. So now is the time, be productive. So talking about today's video. So finally I managed to shoot a video. I feel so relieved. So last two videos about Maldives was super hit and I feel super great. That was my first video which crossed 1000 views. So yes, today's video is all about the makeup. So I asked a question in my Instagram handle about if you guys want to see the makeup that I did on myself on the day of Sangeet. Honestly, I loved how it turned out on that day. Unfortunately, I don't have 2-3 makeup products that I used on that day. I hope you love this video, guys. Before getting into the video, very important, subscribe to my channel. It's free, guys. Why not? Now let's get started.
So guys, how is your quarantine time going on? The basic method and the basic thing that I followed is this. You can use whatever products you have with you. It's fine. You can get the perfect good look with the drugstore products. Let's get started. So basically, I have super dry skin and I didn't want to make it look matte. I had lots of moisturizer on my face before starting. First, I moisturized my skin with using the Clinique Moisture Surge. So when you moisture, just pull your skin upwards. I love this moisturizer. It actually works well for the skin. I noticed that if you apply Vaseline before makeup, your makeup is gliding into your skin so naturally. It's not too much because it might make it look oily. I'm just gonna take a little bit, this much, and apply wherever it's needed. So guys, next is time for primer. I'm gonna use primer by Nika Prep Me Up. This is the primer I use for all the 3 occasions, 3 marriage functions that I had, and it's pretty good. Primer helps your skin to smoothen up and makes your skin or prepares your skin to be a perfect canvas, and also helps your makeup to stay longer. It's gonna be easy to apply and blend in the makeup. So I first do the concealing part before foundation because I like concealers more than foundation. It just covers most of the blemishes. Have the orange corrector which strikes the dark circles. I think this normal concealer is fine for me. Thankfully, I don't have dark circles. Love to make keep my makeup as simple as possible. I'm using the LA Pro Girl concealer in the shade Pure Beach. This is the perfect concealer, guys. I look crazy, but with this concealer I will cover more than half of my face. So applying foundation will be very little. I love makeup sponge than brushes or anything else. Can you see? It looks like under skin and it doesn't look like a makeup at all. The details of the products that I'm using and the price of the product, I'll give the details of those products in the description box below, and I'll also give the link to the products that I bought. So almost I covered my face with the concealer. Now I need very little, like a pea-size foundation to cover up the places that I didn't cover with the concealers. My absolute favorite Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It's kind of a medium coverage which I want. I don't need full coverage definitely. So this is in the shade 230 Natural Buff. That is the shade of my skin. And I think after Maldives, I got little tan and the tan is still not over. See, this is much lighter to my skin tone just because I got tanned a lot after my Maldives trip. So anyway, I will just mix the darker shade which is Estee Lauder. Done. It was a very little foundation. Did you guys notice? We have to settle this with a loose powder. Basically, I'm telling you guys, like, you don't need a fancy loose powder to settle in this. I used baby powder, Johnson's baby powder. Unfortunately, I don't have the baby powder right now because I moved in and I left few products there. For now, I'm using the basic loose powder. Before putting setting powder, just let the concealer and foundation set a little bit, then apply the setting powder. You just need to give the proper amount of time from one process to another. Then after this, I just apply, I just spray in some of my setting spray to let the base settle in my face for a longer period of time. So I'm using Miss Claire Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. So next I'm gonna do the contouring part. That contour is because you're giving the dimension to your face rather than looking flat and plain. So I am having this James Charles palette with in which it has the dark brown shade. That is what I'm gonna apply for contouring. Yes, I do that fish face. You do here, and you have to apply the contour part just above that bend. I don't apply exactly there because I don't think it suits my face. Here. And on my nose. I never contoured my nose. That was the first time I did and it worked really good. I love the way my nose looked after the contouring process. So I just blend in this to give a proper dimension and highlight the center part of the nose. Can you see the difference on my nose? I can see it looks slimmer when you apply contour like that. So my contouring part is done. Next I'm gonna move into my eyebrows. Eyebrow comb and brush. So first I'm just gonna align my brow. As usual guys, just like in previous makeup videos, I always mix dark brown shade with the black shade. So this is the palette from Revolution Velvet Rose. I have used this a lot, and this dark brown and this black shade is what I'm gonna mix. Eye part. Let's move into the eye makeup. Next, on that day I applied eyelashes first. Maybe it's a weird technique, but I love to do my keep my fake lashes first, then I do the eyeliner, because I would when I keep the lashes first, I exactly know where to finish and how well I can blend in along with the eyelash. So unfortunately I don't have the fake lashes that I use on that day. So instead of that, I'm just gonna use the mascara. I'm using the Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara. I always have this weird technique of using mascara before eyeliner so that I can blend in, as I told earlier. Now that I'm done with the mascara, and my most favorite part of doing a makeup is putting a liner. As my
my lashes finish here, I start from here to put the ring. And as I have little space over the eyelid, I don't prefer putting a thick liner. Now I'm using the Faces eyeliner. On that day I used Wet n Wild, which is really good for the eyeliner part. It really stays long. It's very difficult to take it off. It was the best liner that you can get in the market, which doesn't just go off by a wash or something. The liner is done. Next I'll be doing kajal, Faces kajal. I'm done with the kajal part. So sometimes if I don't want the kajal to run away from the waterline and look pale beneath the eyes, I just overline the kajal beneath the kajal, very thin line with the eyeliner. Now the most difficult for me at least is the eyeshadow part. So I decided to go subtle with the makeup, but I was sure that I wanted to blink on my eyes. I just mixed all the pink shades and gave a base all over my eyelid. Let me show you guys. This, the random, because I had a peach lehenga, so. So I'm just rubbing it along with the direction of my wing liner so that it glides in along with it, the direction. I love to make my eyes look, tilted upwards. Give a little bit of orange tint at the outer corner because my lehenga was peach, not too much. Yes, it just depends upon the technique, and if you notice, I'm not using any fancy technique. It's just basic mixture of colors that matches with the lehenga, and I'm just going all over my eyelid. And if you can notice, I made sure the darker part is at the outer corner and not in the inner corner. So this is done. So I need glitter in my eyes. So I went for the nice champagne shades that I have in the palette. This, and this. And I highlighted my eyes in the central part. Can you see the difference? If you want glossy finish, even you can use the highlighter to give that blink. So I'm just gonna give a little bit of very tiny orange at the lower lash line so that it moves along with the top part. Yes. Next, I'm gonna move to my lips. I don't know what the color is exactly is. I just gave a mixture of 2-3 colors and gave a perfect match for my lehenga. So I'm gonna apply lip balm definitely because I'm having a long night and long evening, and I definitely don't want my lips to get chapped. So on that day I gave after this I went with a lip liner. I'm not sure about the shade. I will definitely make sure what shade it was, and I'll let you know in the description box below. I'm not having it now, guys. It helps to define your lips. Even if you want to shape your lips a little bit in a different way. So after applying that shade, I have applied a mixture of all the pinks I have with me. This Maybelline lipstick in the shade Lust for Blush. Next I applied L18 in the shade Deep Pink.
apply this for the blush, and it gives a subtle blush look to your face, and I blend in with the fingers. Then I have this sugar lipstick from Sugar, which is matte lipstick. The shade number is 08. I had this mini lipsticks as a trial. I got a few months back. Next is my most favorite part, is highlighting my face. First I apply Vaseline to give the moisture at the right place and to make it look dewy, then matte. So I give a bit, not too much, else it will look like you're sweating. And that's it. After this, I use a nice liquid illuminator as a highlighter rather than powder. If you want, you can mix powder with Vaseline to give the dewy highlighter finish. So I have been using this since a while now, which is Profusion Way to Grow Liquid Illuminator. It has a pink tint to it, and which goes well with the lehenga that I was wearing. I would like to put highlighter here as well to give a glow on my cheek, apple of my cheeks. I need a little bit of glow on my eyelid, so I'm just gonna apply a little bit of that. So my makeup is done, only belly is left. Before finishing it, I'm just gonna settle in all the makeup with the setting spray. Of course, the spray that I showed previously, it's Miss Claire Dewy Finish Spray. Let the makeup settle and don't remove the water out of your face. It has to dry on its own. So what is an Indian wedding functions without a bindi? It completes the entire look.
So guys, I really hope you loved the makeup I did on myself in this video. I really hope you found this helpful. If you did, as I said earlier, do not fail to hit that subscribe button right away guys. It's free, why not? And like this video if you liked it. Share this with your friends. Let's get this channel bigger and better together. And also comment below whatever request you have, if any, and whatever comment you want to do. I will see you guys in my next video. Also, stay safe, stay home, and be healthy. Ta-da!